All of my bitches got friends. Yeah. All of my bitches got friends. And they bad, so we're good. It's enough for the click. What? All of my bitches got friends. You don't need to pick.
So it's off. This is my hair. It's just a small ponytail. I'm not gonna show you guys like how to slick your hair in a ponytail. So for the first step you need to do is to slick your hair down in a ponytail. You can do this process all at once, or you can do it half at night and then the rest in the morning, like slicking your hair down if it's wet or whatever at night, and then just wrapping your hair around in the morning. So this is just my small little bun. Okay, so these extensions I got from the beauty supply store. It is this brand, Model Wet and Wavy, 100% human hair. You can dye it, bleach it, or perm it. I use this hair to have a short natural like sewing like this. It was all like curly and stuff. But now I'm just using it for a bun, so I can give my hair a break from sewings for about a week or two, and then I'll get my hair done again. So these are the things you need for this tutorial. You need a slick brush, any kind, any type, cheap or expensive. You need Eco Styler gel. You can get this at your local beauty supply for $1.29. And then you need beeswax, any type, any kind. It's about $2.50. And then just some Gorilla Snot gel. You will also need a paddle brush, a wig brush, whatever you want to call it, paddle brush, wig brush. So I just start by brushing out the extensions to make the texture more natural looking. I just brush out the extensions. You're just going to do this to all your extensions. It's up to you how much bundle hair you want to use. If you want to use a whole bundle, 2 bundles, half bundle, it's up to you, your preference. So just continue to brush out your hair. See, it looks like much more realistic. Much more realistic. So we're gonna go ahead the second one. Just brush it out, brush it out. There's no specific way, just get it like poofy. You're taking away some of the curl pattern so it can look more natural, more believable. And it also makes it thicker.
Okay, first you guys want to slick your hair down. I'm sorry, you want to slick your hair down. Tie your scarf around for about 5 to 10 minutes. You can use the blow dry to make the process dry even quicker. But I'm not going to do that. This has so much hair, I don't need to re-slick my hair down. But for the video's purpose, I'm just going to go ahead and do that real quick. I'm moving way too fast. So just take some Eco Style, rub it around your hair. Put it all around your head. Take a little slick back brush. Brush it up, brush it up, brush it up. I'm also going to show you guys how to do your edges. Just brush up all around your hair. Alright, on to step number 2.
On to step number 2. Taking the ends of your wefts and flip the track upside down like this. Start at the back of your ponytail, that way it'll be super invisible and that they don't really see the bobby pins in your hair. So bobby pin the end, secure the end. You're just gonna keep wrapping around the track, wrapping around the track. Just wrapping around the track. It's kind of easier when you hold your head down and wrap it down. So just keep wrapping all the way until your track is done. Then you take another bobby pin. You secure that in as well. Just stick it in there. So for my ladies that want to have like a puff that's not too thick, that looks like more believable, you can do it like this. You also can do a bun. You also can take it and do a bun if you would like, but I want mine fuller, so I'm gonna go ahead and add the second bundle in. So you'll repeat the same step. Take the end of the weft, Start underneath, just like you did the last one. Bobby pin, secure the end. And wrap, wrap, wrap. And as you're wrapping, you just want to go ahead and pull tight while you're wrapping, so your hair will be secure. Super secure with the bobby pin and super secure with the tightness of your wrapping it. Right? Come to an end. Wherever your end is, take another bobby pin. Secure that as well. You want to make sure all your bobby pins are in.
Just fix it to your liking. Twist it, move it, whatever. This is wet and wavy hair, so you can just add water. And I'm just teasing up the hair to make it look thicker. I'm teasing up the hair to make it look thicker.
Alright, so this is what mine looks like up close. Just a big old curly poof. If this is how you like yours, you want yours, we're gonna go ahead and move on to the next step. You also can like cuff it under if you want to cuff it under, shape it more roundly, more like a bun poof if you will like that, something. Bobby pin the ends to secure it, but I'm not. I just want mine like all out and wild and curly and natural and just free. So we're gonna move on to the next step, which is doing your edges. You're gonna take your Gorilla Snot. This is what works for my hair. I'm not sure what works for you guys' hair, but I use Gorilla Snot because it stays on for the whole day. You also can use Eco Style. I used to use Eco Styler a few years ago for my edges, but it won't hold them down now. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this little edge brush. This is an actual edge brush from the beauty supply. It's about $1 to $2. It's not a toothbrush, it's an edge brush. So just get you some Gorilla Snot. My bottle is really old and dirty, y'all. I had this for about 7 months. That's how good it lasts. You can get a bottle this size for like $2.99. So you just want to start by lifting up your hair. I'm gonna come a little closer. Please excuse my face. I'm having the worst breakout ever right now. Like the worst freaking breakout. Like I can't. So you just lift up the hair a little bit. Lift up the hair a little bit. Alright, you just lift up your hair. I do swoops, so take a good amount and just brush it down. Your edges, your baby hair, whatever you want to call it. See how cute that looks already? So I'm just take one right here and swoop. Boom. Take one right here by my ear. Swoop. Boom. Some people like to put it down, whatever. Just swoop mine to the side. So whoop, whoop. Get you some more Gorilla Snot. The one in the middle. This is the money maker right here. The one in the middle is the money maker. I promise y'all. Watch this. Watch this. Take a little. Take a little. It might take you a little to fix it, like a little time to fix it. But the little baby here in the middle, this is the money maker. See that? Whoop, 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 whoop. Now we're going to go to the left side of our head. Just a little dip, dip, dip. And this Gorilla Snot is all you need, just a little bit. Going to the next side. Boom, boom, boom. All right, I usually do like 5 to 6 swoops, but today looks like it's gonna come out to be 5, so let's just go with that. So you're gonna do the last one, just brush down the edges of your hair like I told you on the other side. Boom, boom. Fix your puff up however you like it, however you want it. Put water, whatever, mousse, whatever. But this hair, you really do not need anything. This hair, you really do not need no product. But whatever's your preference, go with whatever's your preference. So it does look natural. I promise you it looks natural. All right, this is edges. This puff literally takes 2 to 3 minutes to do. Depends on however long it takes you to slick down your hair. See, and you can keep this style in about a week without having to wash your hair. Just every night before you do it, just slick some eco style up here. You can leave the extensions on too as well. This is how you wrap your hair up. Take your scarf, whatever type of scarf you have, take it. You're gonna start from, so I'm gonna show y'all the back of my hair if y'all can see. It's all slick. You're gonna take your scarf, gonna put it up in the back of your hair. Wrap it around once. Come around to the back. Tie it right there. Boom. You still got your edges out. Boom, boom, boom. Walk around the house like this. And even if your slicked up hair is not dry, once you attach the extensions, you can just walk around the house for a good 20-30 minutes, let it air dry. Or you can use your blow dryer, let it dry. It's a cute accessory piece. Cute accessory piece. Boom, boom, boom. You can also make it look like a little poof, whatever.